Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is a land inspection day. I'm back on field, thanks to God. The rain has started. I think we've had rain like 3 times now. Yes, we've had rain like 3 times right now. So it's time to start farming. I have some clients that need farmland. I'm back on field, guys. So place your order. It's been like a while. I've been under the weather, coming all back. It's been so what I'm doing today is I'll be checking out some farmlands that I want to get for some clients. Also, the farms I'm managing, I'll be going to see them today. I'm checking out 3 of the farms this morning, so that's what I'll be doing today. So you guys should come along. It's been a while since I did a farm vlog like this, so let's show you. You guys will walk with me today. We'll all walk. Okay. So tí bá lè bá ti bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ tán, á tún máa padà síbí. Màá dúró síbí, mi ò lè máa irú ìrìn wo nìyẹn? One of the tedious aspects of farming is 1, acquiring of land. 2, land preparation. You see, once you've acquired your land and your land preparation is done, every other thing is just like a token. Every other thing is not as hard as those 2. Acquiring of land and land preparation. After acquiring the land, you need to do the survey to check if it's accurate. You need to, that's the most tedious aspect of farming. But once you have your land ready, you've had your land ready, and you've also done the land preparation before rainy season, every other thing is just calculation. Oh, what do I have to plant to make a certain amount of money? That's just it. So let me take you along today as we acquire land and at the same time do the survey of the land. So come along, guys. Ìwọ ni kò sọ̀rọ̀. Wo lẹ́yìn ìwọ ni kò sọ̀rọ̀. Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ la fẹ́ fi. Ó yá wò. Wò, wọ́n ti fún ẹ l'option, wọ́n ti ní èwo ló fẹ́ mú bẹ́ẹ̀. Wèrè pé wà ń bẹ̀. Ṣé òun ló ya mí lẹ́sẹ̀ àbọ̀ òun ló yún mi? Ó ń yún mi lẹ́sẹ̀, ẹsẹ̀ mi dẹ̀ ti yà, nǹkan kan tiẹ̀ ti gún mi lẹ́sẹ̀. Ẹni tó bá ń lọ sóko tí kò bá wọ long sleeve àti ṣòkòtò tó sleeve náà, ìyà ló fẹ́ fi jẹ rẹ̀.